Hello everybody, this is Terry Jeanette with the Tapping Flamingo, and today I have an announcement to make. Some of you have probably wondered if I was going to continue to host the Be Creative Challenge that I've been hosting for the last, I can't remember, 2 or 3 years. Well, the answer to that question is yes and no. So I'll start out with addressing the negative and end with the positive. No, Tapping Flamingo is not going to be hosting the Be Creative Challenge. But my other channel, Be Creative with Terry Jeanette, will be hosting it. You see, I think it fits more over there because with the Be Creative Challenge, it's not just all about jewelry. It's all about being creative no matter what you do. You could even cook. You could do something with your dolls if you're a doll collector, or maybe another collection that you have. You could do yarn crafts, draw, paper crafts. You could even write a story or a poem. The possibilities are endless. The same guidelines still stand. I want you to tag me, but this time instead of tagging Tapping Flamingo, tag me on my Be Creative with Terry Jeanette channel. Each month I'll give a word or a phrase, so use that as your inspiration. And then just create. It's on the 13th of each month. That's another important factor in this challenge. Let me know if you're going to be participating this month. It will be all about snow cold. Ooh, that's SNOWCOLD. And I'll still have hashtags for each of the themes. I know they don't work all the time, so it would be nice if you would just let me know down in the comments section below if you have participated. This month, the hashtag will be Creative Snow Cold. And I'll also be putting out a little announcement on my other channel, and I'll leave a link down in the description box below to my channel so you can go check that out. Thanks for joining me today. Y'all have a great day. This is Terry Jeanette with the Tapping Flamingo signing out for now. Bye-bye.